Ngayon, maglalaro kami ng Dead Ring.
Hello, guys.
Oh, may challenge kami para sa chance.
Yes.
Anong challenge natin?
So, ngayon, we're going to try the snake oil in 10 seconds challenge. It's gonna be very, very hard to see.
See, like the mine.
We don't have any money. What?
Sabi ko miner.
Minor?
Yung sinabi kong
Ako nga pala.
magmamine
Also,
tayo.
okay, so I'm for it. So, Zach is going to mine the ores and just mine the ores until we get to the end of the game.
Yeah.
Just
Pwede
no towns, just wait lang.
Pwede tayo magpumunta
No towns.
Bumayon.
Saan? Ano?
Pwede tayo pumunta sa or
I can't hear you, Zach. Kung may ore ang town,
kung may coal, may silver, coal. Meron akong coal. Hindi na may miner.
okay.
Ready na ako mag-mine.
I can't pick up your Zachary. I can't pick it up. Zachary, I can't pick it up.
Magtako mo na. Yo.
Nga, ayaw nga. Oh, I'm trying to.
Nilalagay na Joshua, ay vampire ako ay mine. Meron talaga ako vampire ko. Something.
Wala. Let's find some ores.
Oh, may makita ko.
Tigil ba?
We are not allowed to connect bandages. Hindi naman. Ito ako magbayad ng mga
Oh, wait. Zachary. Okay, never mind.
Pwede yung bandage at snake. Kaya mapigyan. Wala.
Okay.
Bawal.
Go.
Bawal din natin.
Up ahead, Zachary. Go there na.
Wait lang. Kaya lang kung nag-train na ba? Alayo. Hindi ko nakita. Sound.
So,
Ito guys.
Hiram.
Pwede natin yun.
We got some iron. Okay, nice one.
And also collect the rock. Wait lang.
Got some iron. Ano?
Mag-collect lang ako. Collect the rocks.
Na?
Wait a minute. So charts are basically rules are like
There's gold. There's gold, Zachary. Get over. Yeah, but there's a gold also.
You killed like horses. You killed all the horses. I said stop for a second.
I'm sorry, horses.
This is the life. Ito guys, pwede na kunin kasi wala na ng school.
It's all here. Dito kasi, malayo.
Protektahan mo ako, please. Ay, pinatay. Ano yun? So guys, basically na kawan hit ako.
Let's farm zombies.
Ayun, pwede yun. Para sa... Ayan, gagawa lang ako ng stone wall. Tapos dito yung mga minimum. So guys, pupunta na ako doon. Kasi nakikita ako. Tapos 4 ata yun, 4. Ay, may zombie. Kaya... Russell!
Oh, aba.
Mamatay ako sa trails. Sundan niyo yan! Aba yan? Lang
Zombies,
yun, guys.
I will kill you always. You zombies, you've enraged me. You will die to my fist. Joke lang.
Okay lang yan, guys. Kasi, pwede naman tayo bandage. Allowed lang naman. Allowed. It's allowed. Ang problema nga lang, halimbawa, gold bar. Bawal. Pwede bonds? Pwede.
Zombies, die to my blade. Joke lang.
And also Charles. One reminder.
Zombies, die to my blade.
Charles, there's...
Come to me, zombie. You're dead. Armor.
Where's the coal?
Nasa akin.
You can collect that. You need money to
It's
buy
body
that.
armor. Bro, it's body armor. Why do what do you mean I can break?
Mine is not body armor actually. It's minor armor. It's not armor.
You fine, I'll take it off.
Pero pwede. Pero mamaya, pwede mo yung suotin kung... Sige, suotin mo na lang. Baka kasi mamatay ka.
I am burning now.
Suotin mo muna yung helmet. Mamamatay ka lang. You will... Oh! You bought coal. But... Coal. Kanina. My house?
General house,
Yeah, general store.
Oh, let's go, zombies.
Sa likod may zombie.
Oh, come to me.
May bonds! Isang bond lang.
Yeah. The spawn.
Ayun,
Torch.
torches.
Pwede yan, zombie.
Ayan.
Points din.
Okay lang yan.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm very pretty sure.
Give me the torch. There you go.
Tsaka Charles, there's one rule. Pick up gold bars.
Meron?
You can't pick up gold bars.
Ano?
Bawal,
You can't what?
bawal mag-pick up ng mga bar.
What? What? Why?
It's not an ore. It has to be like this
Okay,
ore.
fine.
But if you're lucky, maybe this is okay lang yung mga letter. What? There's iron!
Wait lang. Where won't you're dead to me.
Ang layo.
Come to me. And he's so far. Hey, get to me. Wait.
Mama.
Go.
Hindi mo na to.
Wait.
Bro.
Get there. Get down here, bro.
What's it?
Okay. Wait. Okay. Come here. No. Straight. Go straight.
Side.
Go.
Ayan, pwede yan. Huwag na tayo mag-ano.
Okay, ito na.
Ang layo ng ore.
Ay, sorry.
Super layo ng
Pati or. Stop here muna. Uy. Come here, Tombit. You are my fuel.
Sana this my phone.
All day.
Oh my God.
All day. Then, Hoya.
Oh, torch. We're lucky. Oy! Sayang my gold watch. Sayang yun. Uy, wag. Bawal yun.
Torch. And, gabi na sakli. Ay.
Farm zombies. We only have like one coal.
Wait, gabi na ba? Gabi na ba, guys?
Yeah.
There go. Go. May bahay. Ay, sa full moon, guys. Ako going to the side, bro.
Tinignan ko lang. Wait.
Here. Stay down. Don't go outside.
Can I have snake oil?
Come here, werewolves. Come to me. I am your demise.
Can I have snake oil? I'm low on health. Where? You almost killed yourself. You almost killed yourself. Oh, this one. We're lucky. It's a moon.
I very have 3, 2, 1, daytime. Ayun, sakto.
Uy, ang dami natin. Uy, nasaktak yung werewolf.
Oh no. No.
What happened?
No. What happened?
Why is there a zombie here?
No. Wait. Stop.
There's a zombie?
What are you talking about? They are stuck in the air. What the? Where are the werewolves? They're stuck in
Oh my god, that's so my
air.
Charles,
What?
I'm sad now.
What?
I'm super sad.
Why?
Look! Just look at the house.
Why is this stuck in the? What did you say?
Please look at the house. I'm sad. No! Oh! You get like a... Charles, my fuel. Zombie.
I hate this house. This house. When we don't need it, it's amazing. But when we need it, it's like the worst thing ever.
Yeah. At least we have a kind of rock.
What is happening?
I don't know. Ay, fuel. Baka nandito yung TNT ko.
Full tank na.
Oh.
Full tank pa.
Guys, I'm sad. Oi! Ore! Stop! Stop!
Oh, iron ore. Wait. I know, wait lang.
My pickaxe! Iron. Naka-one hit lang ako ng ganyan.
Iron ore, let's go.
Diba? One hit. Charles, pwede mag-collect ng bonds. Pero bakit mag-collect ng gold bar?
Ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only bonds. Yes, I collected it. Wait lang. I-hold ko lang ito, ha?
Why is there rocks?
I'm collecting rocks. I think you can sell them.
Okay.
If we can sell them, I don't know.
I can show you how.
The silver nugget. Yeah.
Go.
3 torches now.
There's more. I didn't want sword. 3.
And I think there's an ore. Yeah.
Come. See? Here. There is the gunpowder barrel. Wait lang, resistance.
Charles, mag-forward ka dito sa support mo ako dito.
Has the power. The power of the button.
Oh, there's 2 coal. Coal.
Okay.
Pick me up! Pick me up! Oh!
Die, zombie!
Charles, nakita ako. Ah! Uy! Uy! Oh no.
No, baba, no.
Oh no. No, why is this a bomb?
The bomb dropping on the the bomb dropping blew up. Okay, together. Wait.